What's going on, everyone? So I was recently at a car show and I brought my Osmo Pocket 3 and I brought another camera with me, and I was there to capture some footage of the cars. I thought this was a great opportunity to show off some car cinematography, and I want to show you guys how I did it and some tips I had which led me to get some great results. I think because it has its built-in gimbal and the camera is a little bit wider, you're really able to capture the cars and show off their true beauty. So let's jump into it. When shooting cars, there is a ton that goes into it. So I really want to break this down and show you how I was able to capture all this amazing footage at the car show. Obviously, I want to start with my settings. The settings I was using on my DJI Osmo Pocket 3 was 4K, and I was alternating between 50 and 60 frames per second because I knew I wanted to slow the footage back down in post. I was shooting in D-Log because I really wanted to maintain the ultimate latitude on my color, and I did not want to clip my highlights or my shadows because I started off shooting at sunset. There was a lot of beautiful shadows, and I really wanted to maintain all the information within those shadows. When shooting cars, it is important to capture all different types of angles. So I was shooting low. I was getting low to the ground with my DJI Osmo Pocket 3. So I was at eye level with these cars. And from there, I was doing a lot of wrap shots. I love doing wrap shots with cars because I think it really showcases the beauty of the car and it really brings that 3D dimension to the car. As you can see, when I'm wrapping with the car and my Osmo Pocket 3, the car is just starting to pop on the image, and this really worked out well. And once I started slowing this down, I knew I could also introduce some speed ramps. I went down right towards sunset and I was shooting at sunset, and I was shooting the cars being backlit by the sun. This produced a beautiful image. Because the cars are reflected, the sun is just bouncing all over them and really making them pop in the image. Don't be afraid to shoot backlit. I think you can get some great content this way and really take advantage of the sun being low in the sky. So you can also reverse this. I did see this Gran Torino car and it was green and it was so beautiful. The paint job was awesome on it. And I knew the sun would make this car just pop. So I turned my Osmo Pocket around and I was able to shoot this car with the sun lighting it, and it was glowing on the road. This shot is amazing, and this Gran Torino is so beautiful, and I think I did a great job at capturing and showcasing it here in this video. And then I stayed there till nighttime because I wanted to capture the cars at night as well. The Osmo Pocket 3 does great at night because it does have a larger sensor and it really absorbs all that light without introducing a lot of grain. As you can see here, these shots look amazing. So while shooting the cars, you want to make sure that you're getting interior and exterior shots. This can really lend itself nicely to a variety of different shots when you're editing it all together. Also, because it was a car event, I did want to capture some wide shots of the event going on too. I didn't want to just capture the close-up of the cars. So as I was walking through, I was really capturing the scenery around me because I really wanted to start that to tell the story of the car show I was at. Now, I did want to talk about sound too. So as these cars are getting ready to leave, the sound is absolutely incredible. Everybody is starting their engines and it is so loud. But really capturing this sound and bringing it into this atmosphere of my edit is really going to lend itself to letting people know what kind of atmosphere they're in. And let's get real, this is a car show. People want to hear the engines of the car. So don't be afraid to grab a mic or just use the mic on your Osmo Pocket 3 and capture some sound that you can use in the edit. When I was younger, I used to go to car shows all the time with my dad, so this is a little bit nostalgic to me, going to this car show and capturing with a camera. Along with my DJI Osmo Pocket 3, I did have my A7R and I did have my 20mm lens. So I was shooting some of the cars and taking some photos as well. Another great tip is to wait till dusk to capture some photos and video of the car. This way, more people are out of the way, people are starting to leave the show, but you get that nice balance between the sunset and the ambient light. This is perfect time to shoot. You're really getting some great colors across the image, and I am not blowing out any shadows or highlights. Awesome, so as you can see, I captured a ton of great content at the car show. I'm super excited I was able to bring you guys along with me. If you have any questions, please ask them in the comment section below. I truly think the Osmo Pocket 3 is a great camera for capturing cars. I know a lot of people are doing rollers with it and the footage is turning out great. So stay with it. Please like and subscribe to my channel. And as always, peace.